Hey, you won't believe what I just want to share out with you until you try out this. Yes, until you try out this. Yeah. You tired of booking how data power stripe? The Tesla Soldier Protector is your space saving solution. Yeah.
So why I love it? It has a flat plug design, it fits perfectly behind furniture, no more bend or damaged cord. Plus the USB port plus AC outlet lets you charge multiple devices at once. Make it perfect for home or traveling. And with built-in surging protection, your electronics stays safe from unexpected power spikes. That is amazing. Wow, amazing. It's amazing. Yes, you can try out this. Yes, it's amazing. Try out this and see.
So what were you waiting for? Grab your and simplify your charging setup. Yes, by clicking the link under this video. Yes. Thanks for watching.